Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this long wrist rest memory foam pad. I've already been using this for over a month now, and this is a great pad to have on your desk if you're using the keyboard all day or even when you're using your mouse. So let's get into it and let me show you the features and I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So this is how the pad looks. It's a nice memory foam material. It has nice little grooves right here. Right? It's long enough to fit a long desk. You see how it fits my wrist very nicely and it feels very comfortable to use it. I can even use my mouse on here on the bottom side. You see how it's an L shape, or this fits right on the edge of the desk. It also comes with this permanent double-sided tape that you can attach to here if you want to keep it permanently placed, which I'm just going to have it temporary, so it fits very good. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great memory foam wrist and elbow rest. I like the material. It feels very comfortable. I like how it has these little grooves right here, so it grips my wrist nice and comfortable and it doesn't slide. It's easy to clean. It feels nice on the skin. And also like how it has the L shape, so it fits exactly right on the edge of the desk. Thanks for watching.